Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, hashtag Bafsot Guru. Okay guys, we know that most children, they suffer from a lack of knowledge. Somehow it's something that it's done by bad people or evil things that they came in contact with and they are struggling at school. So guys, if you have your child and they are struggling at school, they are really struggling, you should buy your child a coconut. You can get it anywhere where they sell vegetables. You can get it. This coconut, you don't break it. You just use a needle to open a piece here, a small hole here, so that you can get the water. This water is very powerful. Something that we don't know, something that God has created in His intelligence. We don't know how this water came about to be in here. So this water, it's very powerful. If you really know how powerful it is, I'm telling you, you would always have it in your home. Even for yourself, you can cleanse yourself, you can open doors that were shut, this can bring luck, a big luck in your life. So you don't break it, you just open it with a needle or with something that's sharp, just to break it, just to break a small hole where the water can come out. Say it's Sunday or it's Saturday, you are at home. You break it and then you wash your child's hair. It should be the head, because the head is something that has brain, that anything, it's here. We can't think if this part is blocked. We can't do anything if this part is not working. So get your child coconut, wash, pour that water all over their head. Even yourself, if you are struggling with a a very bad luck that you don't know what to do anymore. You have tried this, you have tried that. Some of the people, things that are working for others, they may not work for you. So find that something that can work for you. And I think nature has brought this. It's very powerful. It's very hard, It's very powerful. You can wash their whole body with this, but it has to be for 24 hours. You mustn't wash them after pouring this water all over their body. It should be from here, and then the water will run down itself. Do this each and every month if you want to see a success in your child's life. Buy it. Use it until you see a positive in your child's future, in your child's education. They are struggling at school, no more. So guys, get yourself this coconut. Use it like I instructed you. And I promise you will see a big change. I won't come here, tell you a story, tell you something that I have not tried. It's working, guys. It's working. I've used it recently, about 3 months back, but I have seen so much positivity in my life, in my child's life. I buy for each and every person in my house. They do this cleansing once in a while. So get it, use it. It's working. Guys, for more videos, please subscribe below and don't forget to comment. You can also find me on my Facebook page, Bath Salt Guru. So until next time, thank you.